Imagine being a guy with a girlfriend at an Anuv Jain concert, bro. That's like the worst guy to be. You take the girl home, do her the you want, you're having sex with her, bro. She's thinking of Anuv Jain. Bro. There's no way, bro. There's no way. He's got hella risk, bro. When did the girl start?
Oh, that's always been there, bro. What are you talking about?
Really?
Oh, look at him. There's only one question, bro.
Yeah.
Who hurt you? How bad was it?
Bro, it's not like it wasn't really bad. I think we should just end the episode right now. Oh, bro, the kind that I've seen in like local trains, man, it's like it changes you. It scars you.
That's where the music comes from.
I just want to send out a message to my manager. I hate you. Please put this in, okay? 'Cause, oh man,
Why was so bad? Like,
bro, that lady. Oh my god.
Anuv Jain on Untriggered podcast.
Yeah.
Bro, like we wanted to do this for a while, ever since we spoke about you on that one episode.
Yeah.
Actually, no, that's not true. We saw you live for the first time at Supersonic.
Yeah.
And
That's when
before,
we spoke about him.
before that, we were like, Anuv Jain, he's like,
The man who prolonged my breakup for 3 months at least. क्योंकि वो गाने बारिशें सुन के फिर मैं बैठ के सोचता था कि
Is it worth it?
No, bro, like we realized the magnitude of what's happening after we saw the crowd.
Yeah.
And we were like, oh shit, like we're only missing out. Like, like we are the problem in this.
Yeah, मेरे को भी था थोड़ा सा. I also got that.
When you saw that
realization.
sea of
it
people,
was
na?
crazy.
It was
crazy.
insane, bro. That's what both of us were discussing. It's just like one man with a guitar, and there were like, how many? 10,000, I'm guessing?
How many
10,000.
people
There were a lot of
I don't know
There
how
was
many
so
people were
many
there, but there were a
people,
lot
bro.
of people
It was
there.
insane.
Yeah.
Bro, and
Supersonic
more
was
than
fun.
that, now this has just started with a lot of dick sucking. But bro, so there
It's
were
okay,
a
I don't
lot of like big international acts, bro, on that lineup.
Yeah.
And like we were like, we didn't see those many people at anyone else's.
The most people
like
we
that.
saw was at your.
Yeah, at your
That's good.
stage.
That's good.
Now, how did that feel? You were like, oh shit.
I didn't know that until now. I feel very good about it.
You saw
That's
the
great.
people like they're not paying me enough.
No, I think they paid me enough.
That is fine.
But yeah, there's always scope for more. No, they did not pay me enough.
When did all of this like? When did shit like blow up and you were like, oh.
Bro, so I've been making music for a very long time now. Matlab, it was always a hobby. I never wanted to do this like properly. But just before COVID, something happened in like my personal life, and the music had also taken off a little bit. I had a couple of songs out there and they had like really taken off. So I was like, okay, bro, like this is something that I really need to do because I'll regret it for the rest of my life. So I just like came back home one day from work and I told mom that I'm quitting and I need to like start working on music, and she was like, okay. And yeah, that's how easy it was. And a couple of days like later, I just put down my papers and that's when it began. And I got pretty lucky with it because COVID struck at that time. All offices, everything shut. So, and that's literally when I transitioned into it. So like, yeah, got pretty lucky.
When did the girl start?
Oh, that's always
Flooding
been there,
the
bro.
DM.
What are you talking about?
But bro, something bad had to happen right before you started making music, or
Who make music like that if you're happy?
There's only one question, bro.
Yeah.
Who hurt you? You gotta tell us that. How bad was it?
dude? Like,
Bro, it's not like it wasn't really bad. I think we should just end the episode right now. I've actually had like pretty good relationships in my life. Nothing's been really sick, but I think the kind of a person that I am, I tend to get like a bit emotional, and I can feel it a lot more than like what usually people might. So when I've gone through breakups or like when I've gone through relationships ending, even though it's always been like a very decent way of ending things, but obviously it hurts, man, and like you're trying to tell yourself to move on and all of those things. So I think that's where it comes from, really.
yep. Sure does.
इसकी life में बहुत दुख है, bro.
कुछ नहीं है, bro.
I mean, bro, even I feel things, man. Like, come on, bro.
Oh shit.
No, this one, bro, he falls in love. Like,
Yeah, he falls in love with every girl he sees.
Oh, yeah, been there, done that.
भाई अनूप जैन भी बोल रहा है, so I'm okay with that.
Oh, no, when I was like much younger.
You're what, 20?
I'm 28 now.
20?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
How
you were-
old are you guys?
25.
They're all 25.
25. Okay, so not that much.
Yeah.
Do we look?
My manager Tanvi here was telling me बच्चे हैं. मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
है,
19 साल.
but मतलब अकल
25 is fine.
25 is okay. 25 is not fine for falling in love with
No,
people.
I think 25 is too early to like grow up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah,
not
yeah.
like I still feel like a kid.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Like, I think, I don't know, bro. I was gonna say, I think by 35 I'll stop the dick jokes, but I don't. I just
You don't see yourself.
I just don't see it, bro.
Okay,
Like,
now I understand like your idea of maturity. This is the threshold that
The
you have
day
to
he
like.
stops, those jokes he'll
yeah,
realize he's
dick
grown
jokes
up.
stop with that. Like, it's-
bro, I feel maturity is when you can afford to be as old as you want and still do all of that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Without having any problems.
Yeah,
So I
that's
think
true.
that is
That's
like.
true. Yeah.
Do you think you've matured since like all of this has taken off? Like, did you have to grow up really quickly? But like, shit is
Yeah, of
intense.
course. So I think there are certain parts of my life where I think I still feel like a kid, especially like the creative bit, because I am like a baby when I'm like child. You know, like everything is just interesting to me. ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं. There are no limitations in my head, right? So I think that's where it works. But in terms of just like managing my life and my career, money, all of these things, I think I've become much better. Like I think I've become much more mature. सब खुद handle कर रहे हैं, तो like that's how it is. Yeah.
Oh, you take care of your own money?
Yeah, of course.
That's insane, bro.
People have management.
I mean, obviously that is there, but you have to find these people and all, right? So
Yeah.
like you're responsible for that, right? It's not like my mom is sitting and telling me, "Acha ye kar lo, wo kar lo." Like I'm handling things on my own, so that's how it is.
What is something that you spend on and you're like what have you gotten spoiled to some extent? Like you're spending on?
Not enough. Yeah, not enough. But I think I've gotten like a couple of good things. Yeah.
Or like clothes?
Yeah, clothes, vehicles, watches.
Vehicles, bro. Clothes तो ठीक
नहीं,
है
S sorry, so plural ज़्यादा हो गया. Vehicle.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
that's still
Oh, that's still
insane.
good, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
What about like sneakers? Do you
Oh
like
yeah, sneakers. Yes.
What
This is my like I'm wearing like this one. This is my fourth pair of the same one. So I think
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, you like this one sneaker?
Oh, now because I just realized it's वो जो spray वाला आता है ना. I just figured it out. So I think the other ones like got dirty, but I just like figured out like
You
this.
just bought the same
Yeah.
shoe 4 times.
Yeah.
That's spoiled, bro. That's spoiled.
Oh, sneakers are tricky, bro. Like gets thoda.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, you want to spend that much on shoes?
Yeah, but I'm not one of those guys who's like gonna keep it in his like cupboard, like locked up and all that. Yeah,
You
I
wear
wear
you
it,
wear
bro.
it.
I
I
wear
think
it.
that's what shoes are for, bro. They're
Yeah,
meant to be
I
worn.
don't care about creasing. I don't care about like tying my laces in a certain way or something like that, bro. I do my bunny knot, whatever
Yeah, yeah,
thingy.
same.
That's what my seal
Feels
is.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do you spend on?
This is it. Bro.
Like something where you're like, you know, it's
It's a spoiled behavior to
How
spend money on
outrageous.
that.
Like just stupid, silly buy.
Bro, honestly, कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा.
okay.
Yeah, I'm a lot into investing. So yeah.
Oh,
He's mature, bro.
Yeah, mature, bro. I'm telling you now, bro. That was my threshold for becoming mature. Like not talking about dick jokes.
But where are you based right now?
I am from Ludhiana.
That's
yeah, I'm
right.
Ludhiana. Yeah.
Why that's why.
We come from business families, bro. Like full. That is ingrained in our blood. Okay, this is how it has to be. Yeah.
What is Ludhiana like? What?
Bro, it's a very good city. Like, so the thing is that Bombay, obviously, it's Bombay, right? But Ludhiana is much slower, but it's much more peaceful as well, which I love. It's good for my music as well. यहाँ पर मैं, I was thinking of moving to Bombay. यहाँ का वो square feet देख के घर का carpet area, I was like, अरे bro, नहीं, I can't stay like that. Nah. So because you have bigger houses, yeah, over there, and obviously there's more comfort. There's not a lot of traffic. Everything is nearby. Everything is close. So it's a much slower life, but it's a very good city. Like it's a good city to stay in.
Yeah, for your music, I feel like being in a more
Peaceful
chilled out
environment.
space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if you were like a hardcore rapper, you should have like
Do you think your music will switch up if you shift to Bombay?
yeah, he'll just get angry.
He'll suddenly get all angry.
from
bro.
traffic,
like
he's
anger.
writing explicit.
Traffic में लिख रहा है.
ट्रैफिक में इंस्पिरेशन आ रही है मेरे को एक घंटा वहाँ बैठ के
Imagine that E next to Anup Jagta song. Explicit version.
that will be the day.
Oh, that'll be like
Yeah, that'll
oh,
be
something
crazy.
has gone down.
But yeah, but like it's peaceful over there. Obviously, in terms of infrastructure, when it comes to music and all, it's a bit difficult because there are not a lot of people that you find. अब यहाँ पर Bombay में like everywhere there are people that you can work with, collaborate with, and that's the reason why I haven't been able to do it till now. But hopefully, I'll keep on oscillating between the two cities. देखते हैं, we'll figure something out. I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलेगा.
You know, we've had so many people come here and say similar things. Ki we stay
Yeah.
here and we come here.
Yeah.
What I've realized is you stay where you are to create, and you
Yeah.
come to Bombay to distribute.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's completely right. Yeah, that's what I feel as well.
Mature thinking.
Yeah, after every release, मेरी एक flight होती है यार. Then I'm just like roaming around here and there, knocking on every DSP का this thing. Please share song. Please put me in playlist. This is what we're doing.
No, but like just to hang out, everyone's here, hai na?
yeah,
From time to time.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
But that's the thing about this city. Like a lot of work just happens while hanging out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like hanging out
Yeah,
isn't
that's
hanging
true.
out anymore if you're
It's
like hanging
networking
out
over
with
here.
Yeah,
Every
yeah,
time.
that's very true.
Yeah.
Yes,
you
yes,
go
yes.
to a
that's
club, you get like 3 collaborations locked in one
Yeah.
night. For us, it's a lot like that because
Yeah.
it's just this, right? Like
Yeah.
talking to people. So
Yeah.
doing it from anywhere else makes zero sense.
No, that's right.
Like, we'll need a lot of money to fly out people like from Ludhiana to Pune, let's say.
Yeah,
And
we
then
would have
take
done
care
this
of their
sooner
stay.
had we, I don't know, we wanted
I
to
mean,
do this.
I don't know. It depends on him also.
Yeah.
Na? He should want to do it.
He should have wanted to do it.
Yeah.
He
no,
must
I'm
have seen
glad
that
I
one
did
reel and then been like, I don't want to do this shit. Who are
So the
these
thing is
boys?
that I said yes to the thing before I realized it was you guys who made it.
Fuck it. And it was too late to back out.
So one of my managers like told me yesterday. They're the same guys. I was like, oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah.
You only said nice things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love it, bro. Like I love when people like joke about these things and all of that. I love like watching. I'm not gonna like be a stuck-up guy and be like, "Arey bhai, kya bol rahe hain?" and all of those things.
Yeah.
I enjoy it as much as like like the other guy does. So
It's
fine,
just
yeah.
the truth, bro, what we
Yeah,
said.
exactly. It's fun.
Do you also enjoy the memes? Like
Yeah, bro. I love it. I
Bro,
love it.
Tute Makan was like.
Have you seen the Bob the Builder one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Bob the Builder is like calling somebody, he's like, construction rok do, Anuv is saying, Tute maka ek bar girkar nahi bande. I was like, what?
yeah, bro. That too blew the fuck up. Like,
Yeah.
everywhere.
So you get sent all these reels by your friends and stuff.
Bro, my managers only send them to me. And they're laughing at me only. I was like, okay, cool, theek hai.
Like, sahi hai,
My
bro.
mom sends it to me sometimes.
If you're in memes, that means you're
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
a part
somewhere.
of culture.
Yeah,
At
pop
least.
culture.
Huh.
I realized that like pretty early on. So I was like, yeah, I don't mind. Make. It's
Bro,
fine.
and so many people discover the music like that.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah. That's
Through
true.
memes.
Are you guys memes as well now?
Oh,
Not to that extent.
like if people like shit on us a little, like they're not laughing with us.
Yeah, they're laughing at you.
Not laughing at us also, we're like, fuck these guys. Like,
Yeah.
why are they talking?
Arey bro, let them talk. It's okay.
That's all. Where also like, theek.
Hey, bro, if I can say whatever I want on the mic,
They
you also
can
say
say
whatever
it
you want on Reddit.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
the
do
same
it.
thing.
Exactly.
Like, but have you ever seen something like what kind of hate comments you get and you're like,
Wait, do you get hate?
Oh yeah.
course,
You get
bro.
hate?
Of course he gets
Everybody
hate, bro,
gets
by
hate.
all
Who
these
doesn't?
boys.
Why do you get
The
hate?
boys who don't get laid will obviously give him hate.
Oh yeah, if I think about it, it's actually the guys.
It's actually those.
no, bro, almost all hate comes from that only.
Yeah.
It's not.
Ha,
that.
99%
I mean,
of
not
hate that
all,
most
but
people,
I
most
think-
people receive are
Yeah.
coming from these guys.
So I think
Sorry, boys.
I think I stopped like looking at like a lot of hate comments after I left X or Twitter or whatever it's called now. So I think that's when it like really happened. But usse pehle though, bro, it was going crazy. I was like really losing my mind looking at all of these things. But then I'm like accepting it now. Okay, everybody gets it, bro. So it's fine. Like even the best people that I love and I absolutely think that their music is genius. If they are getting hate, then what am I, bro? It's fine. Like it's completely okay.
But it's also for someone like you, it's hard to be bothered by hate when you see like 6,000, 7,000 people at a show.
Yeah.
So like these many people have paid
Yeah.
like to be here.
Bro, so the thing is that whenever like I take breaks in the middle, right? That's where that down wala time comes. When I'm not performing, right? Uske baad when you start seeing things, you lose perspective of you know like whatever's going on out there. But as soon as you go for these shows and there are like so many people like screaming out your songs, knowing every lyric, every word, everything, and then you're back to like okay, theek hai, maybe we've done
Life's
something good,
good,
and
yeah.
like things are not as bad as you know they were when I was just reading these comments in my bedroom, just sitting there like reading all of these things. So yeah, that's how it is.
How when you're away from the action though, it's
Yeah,
like, easy.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I think you need something to keep yourself busy at all times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, for musicians, I'm just assuming it's writing.
Yeah, just constantly.
right?
Bro, I'm very busy anyway. It's like constantly there's something or the other going on. So that
How many
keeps on-
songs? How many songs do you have in the bank?
Oh,
Like, this is something really.
I always like the way I've been working and functioning is that whenever I finish a song, uske baad hi I pick up like another project. So I'm just working on that and then that gets released and then the other one. So there's like I don't have like a bank of songs. I have melodies. I have like things that I want to work on, but they are not like these solid ready songs that I can just like put out in the world. That's literally like as I'm going ahead. Yeah, it's a very bad way to work, honestly.
I mean,
It's a
it's working
terrible-
for you. You
Yeah.
have what, like 10 songs out?
Yeah,
Yeah.
10 songs out.
10
man.
and so
Yeah.
acoustic.
Like, oh, I don't think
That's just 10 songs. I can't even. It's so less. I
That's
wish I had
not
like more.
it's like
Yeah,
quality,
but,
right?
huh.
But
Yeah,
it's
but
10
that's-
out of
that's
like
true.
all those 10 are up there. They're the best songs.
That's what I'm focusing on.
Yeah.
There are no like lyrical repetitions. There's like everything needs to like have something that nobody said before, or at least like saying it in a different way.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to do. It's not something that should just be there out there and everybody's like heard something like this before. So that's what I'm trying to do. That takes time.
How do you get so good at Hindi?
I've always spoken in Hindi. Even though I'm from Punjab, I've studied Punjabi like my entire life. But Hindi is just something that my parents used to talk in, and that's how it is. And I've consumed a lot of Hindi music like as a kid also. That's how it is.
Yeah, bro, because the writing is like, it's like some words. I'm like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to look up.
Yeah, pull out the
Thoda kabhi Google also helps.
Okay. Of course.
Oh, like what does this mean in Hindi and all of that happens sometimes. But yeah,
Wait, do you think in English or do you think
I think in
Hindi?
English.
In English?
Yeah.
That's what I keep on asking people. Like this is a pretty like question that I keep asking. What do you dream? Like what language do you dream in? What languages do you guys dream
Or
in?
like in
In
actually,
English only.
I don't think I've thought.
Hindi?
English.
English, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Think about it the next time. I think like I dream in like Hindi and English both. Yeah, depends. Yeah, so
My dreams don't have a lot of dialogue, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, it's like I have like
There are
these-
scenes.
Oh,
There are
there are
scenes, but
But there'll be
dialogue nahi hota hai.
some speaking happening na in them.
like I keep getting like I have these recurring dreams, like 2-3 which are on shuffle, and I know a lot of people also have.
yeah.
Like one is getting bit by a snake.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys have had that one.
I'll have it tonight now that you've said it.
Second one is like I'm at an exam
Yeah.
and like I'm like struggling.
You can't
I'm
finish
like,
your paper in time.
Time is over and I've done nothing. Third one is my teeth falling out.
Oh,
yeah,
teeth
that
falling
I
out
have.
is one that I
Or my
have.
teeth are just loose.
Like loose.
Same.
Yeah.
Can't put
Yeah.
and उठ के ऐसा लगता है कि सब ठीक है.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, and the worst part is like I've had many extractions as a child, so I know
Yeah.
the blood, how blood tastes in your
Yeah.
mouth.
Yeah.
So
it
then
tastes
I
like
have that
iron,
taste.
doesn't it?
Yeah, it tastes
has
like
an
iron.
iron metallic taste.
Exactly. So the thing is, when I'm sleeping and I get that in my mouth, I'm like, fuck, daat gir rahe, and then suddenly I have to like wake myself up and remind myself that it's just a dream.
Na? Yeah.
I've started getting one recently, which is interesting that I get this dream. It's like I'm at a DJ gig and I'm like my pen drive
Losing
is
out
not
of songs.
working
Oh, yeah,
or something
yeah.
goes wrong
Yeah.
and like everyone's just like pissed off.
Yeah.
Do you?
Oh, bro, I've had these kind of dreams. So I used to play football like back when I was a kid. So it's always like, oh, I missed the goal and all of
Oh,
that.
yeah.
shit.
Penalty.
Penalty miss ho gaya, ye ho gaya. So these are the
High
very,
pressure
very,
situations.
That's a bad
Brutal.
Yeah, like I missed my flight. That's the kind of a thing that I get.
Flight to theek hai, you just take the next one, I guess.
Arey, I've never missed a flight in my life, bro. So I don't want to start now.
What did you play in school? Football.
Yeah, football, yes.
Which position?
Right wing.
Right wing.
He's a runner, bro.
Yeah. I used to be very athletic, bro, in school. Like, I've been very fast, like, throughout I've won medals and all of those things as well. Like, 100 meter, 200 meter, everything I've done. Yeah. So I've always been into all of these things, man. Like, sports and, like, creative and all of those things. And then I just chose to do music as, like, my main hobby and all of that. So, yeah.
Were you good in school also, like studies?
Academic.
Studies, I was okay. Like, 80%, 85%,
Pretty good, bro.
75% tak. Aise tak
that's
aata tha.
70%, 60.
Yeah.
60, 65.
But I did.
Teacher dropping.
नहीं, I did.
तो नहीं होगा भाई.
मेरा? नहीं, not at all.
12th में कितना आया था?
You look
I got 82%. But with math.
Damn, bro.
With
12.
math.
So that's like 90.
Yeah, that's equivalent to 90.
Yeah, so in math I scored like 54.
हाँ.
So बाकी सब में I had like 90s and all of those things. But
God
math,
damn, मेरा
derivatives, integration I couldn't do. These were like damn
But that was a
difficult.
lot of fun.
Good
What?
at everything.
Derivatives, integration, all was
Bro,
fun.
these dreams, nightmares that you're talking about, this is
Yeah.
what...
Derivatives, fuck that,
अभी तक
bro.
वो मेरा वो PTSD चल रहा है, अब तक वो trauma चल रहा है मेरा उसका अभी तक.
No, there were always like these 2-3.
What?
I don't want
They
to
were
say.
fun, bro.
No, 2-3 kids who would get like 100 in maths.
हाँ.
Like
How?
perfect.
I just
And
don't
was like,
understand it, bro. I don't understand it.
हाँ bro, and then they'd like
They'd like flex on you.
flex तो नहीं करते हैं, मतलब they just like do this when they take the paper and you just know.
He deserves it, bro.
Yeah.
जो रात भर बैठ के उसने किया रहेगा ना वो
नहीं वो तो वही है ना, वो लोग रात भर नहीं करते, रात भर हम करते हैं.
रात भर हम करते. They
वो-
study through the year.
Yeah, they study through
They
the
study
year.
थोड़ा
Yeah.
थोड़ा every year.
Smarter.
Yeah.
Shucks,
Yeah.
bro. Like in school तो notes, like my notes were never complete.
Yeah.
Because after a point I realized what can they do? Like
Yeah, they're
if your
not
notebook is
progress.
not complete.
Exactly.
Tell your parents that you don't do
हाँ, then parents will say
Tell you.
what?
You do it.
Don't play today.
हाँ.
Parents also can't stop you from playing because that's like
Bro,
cruel,
मेरे को
right?
notes का कभी problem नहीं हुआ. So I have a twin sister and she's always like been with me in my
Oh.
class. So and she was like a proper like this
So you were a teen.
Nerdy.
not exactly nerdy, but she was very like extremely good at everything that she did. So even studies like वो तो 95-96% वाले range में वो आ रही थी, right? So I used to take her notes, so I had like that thing sorted for me.
But घर पे it was never there awarding कि ये इतने marks ला रही है. Why
No,
you
no,
not
it was.
It was,
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
Now you're literally twins. How can you?
Yeah, like
Comparison has to be there.
yeah, my mom like I mean I also used to score well only, but
Yeah.
obviously when you have somebody who's scoring like 95, 96 in your house, then obviously there's like a little bit of comparison. But our parents were like pretty chill that way because they knew that we had like our own qualities and like our own things.
Yeah.
Like she's always been into dance, I was always into music, and we were doing pretty well even back when we were in school. Like we used to win our competitions, do all of those things. We were well known for all of these things. So they were okay कि कुछ ना कुछ तो कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा. Yeah.
Now do you go to them like you saw?
No, so like that's the thing now, bro. Like my mom, so my dad's no more, but when he was around, he always wanted me to get into music.
Yeah.
So now that you know, like I'm living his dream in a way. But my mom though, like loves, bro, like music and this entire thing. So she's very happy that I'm in this and like that I'm doing this. I was lucky that I was like blessed with like parents who were like very supportive. Because I know that I get like a lot of these stories as well. That like when people text me that our parents like we really want to become musicians but like our parents are not like supporting us or whatever it is. मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं मेरा ऐसा नहीं था. Like I got very lucky that way. Okay.
Can't relate.
You're just like get good at it. Maybe they'll start supporting.
ये podcast के लिए तुम्हारे घर पे क्या चल रहा है? Happy और के
Bro,
ये क्या बातें करते हैं?
हाँ, start में weird था bro बहुत because they were like, it's a very weird medium.
Yeah.
It's a very unknown medium rather.
And
Yeah.
it's also like कि ठीक है, you love your son whatever, but who are you to be talking for people to listen to you?
Yeah.
That's
Like we had like TV hosts, we had news anchors at like when we were growing up. Those were the people who were speaking into the mic.
Yeah.
As are randomly people on the internet, then I had to show them like Joe Rogan, look at him, like
this is
he's
what has
literally
happened
made a
now.
living doing
Yeah.
this. And then abhi now they get it because they're like,
Yeah.
for them also it's validation when we
Yeah.
get like people like you or people that they're used to seeing.
Yeah.
And they're like, okay, these kids are doing something.
That's good, bro. That's
yeah,
good.
but still at मेरे घर पे they still don't know because what do? I talk to people.
हाँ,
Hmm.
अजीब है bro. Like
It's still-
if I
it's
was a
still-
parent
Do
also.
they
Yeah.
watch it though?
I think they stopped watching after.
You know, I'll tell you something. So, जैसे वो they give like these food items को they give like these fancy names, right?
Yeah.
Just call this like a fancy thing. bro.
So that's what sold
You're creating like content media for you know like
Yeah.
something.
Media
I don't
company.
know.
Media company.
Yeah, exactly.
Media
Like when
startup.
old people ask, I
Yeah,
say,
yeah.
oh,
Media
I run a
company.
media
Exactly.
company.
Yeah.
They're like,
Just use
oh.
fancy words, bro. It'll sell.
Yeah, that's how we sold it. That's how I moved here.
That's how you got me.
That's how we got
यारो यहाँ पर उड़ी उड़ी बैठे हैं.
Hey, but that's a common theme, bro, with a lot of people we have on. Na?
Yeah,
They
yeah,
say
yeah.
that parents were supportive from, like,
Yeah.
it's rare that we've had people who are successful in a creative field where
Yeah.
encouragement from parents wasn't there.
Yeah.
क्योंकि bro उससे बहुत ये होता है.
Yeah,
like,
it
Yeah.
definitely helps, bro. It's like it's an instant boost. Okay, when your parents are supportive.
yeah. And I mean, obviously, it backfires also sometimes. Like I've seen some people who've just like been raised in a way where they're just like super spoiled.
Yeah.
It can
To
go
a
the
point
other
of
way.
delusion, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, but the way it was at my house was that when if my mom was supportive about something, then she was very adamant that I go and do all of these things on the weekends and like I get enrolled in classes and do all of those things.
Balance basically.
Yeah, so when she's supportive, she's like, then she's comparing me to other kids. Ke, yaar, why are you like not going for classes or something like that? That's how it was. Okay, you know, you have to get into these things. So it was.
degree
it
lao
worked out.
pehle. Did you go to college?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I studied in Bombay.
Oh,
NMIMS.
Oh, you're an engineer.
No, NMIMS is
MBA,
management, this thing,
management,
business
sorry,
management,
sorry,
all those
sorry.
things.
What do you
MBA,
think?
Yeah.
Not an MIMS, which is the other one that with N only they have in
Not important.
TKL. It's not.
Only you've
I
done that
barely
mistake,
remember my
bro.
own college, what I'll remember.
Acha.
Everything is a big blur now. I mean, yeah.
Engineering.
Do
is
your
the-
MBA.
No, I did not do my MBA. Like, it was just undergrad. 3
Undergrad?
years. 3 years.
Acha.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Damn, bro.
3-year undergrad.
That's
is-
a
Year
fun.
undergrad is-
I think that's mostly a fun degree to do.
Yeah.
तो मस्ती तो किया रहेगा.
हाँ, मतलब obviously मस्ती किया था bro. Definitely. It was damn fun bro. Especially like being in Bombay. because I've always stayed like in my house, right? Like with mom and everyone, right? But now this was the first time I was like getting out of my shell, like coming here and, you know, like experiencing the world for the first time. Yeah, had a lot of fun, yes. My fun was taking the local train every day for 3 hours, like 1.5 hours coming to college, 1.5 hours going back home.
Where were you staying?
I was staying in Mulund. My grandparents used to stay there. Oh, bro, the kind of shit that I've seen in like local trains, man, it's like it changes you. It scars you.
That's where the music comes from.
You were talking about, you know, what hurt? What hurt was that?
Yeah,
It was that guy who pushed me, you know, like outside the train. के अंदर बता दूँ अभी और all of that.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck, भाई ये सब.
Oh, bro, I've seen like some crazy shit. So I don't know if like your listeners where are they based out of, but if you guys ever like take a train, like a local train in like Bombay, right? If you ever take like a fast local, ठीक है? And अगर आप सिर्फ एक stop वाले आगे वाले रुक रहे होते, they will not let you enter. Or they will not let you get off.
But how do they know that you're entering?
क्योंकि you go to the door ना, वो कहते तुम आए अभी आए, you take a normal train. Why are you taking like a fast local and filling it up? I have seen that also. I've seen gundas
So they
also,
don't
bro,
let
like
you get
beating
out.
people up. Yeah, don't let you get out. I've seen all of these things. Like Gunda,
My
like
God.
doing this with his chain, and he's like, I'm just gonna hit you at a place, you know, you're never gonna be able to have kids. Not with me, but like with somebody. I've seen like women like.
English में तो नहीं बोला रहेगा.
नहीं. I'm just saying it, bro. थोड़ा polish करके बोल रहा हूँ. Yeah, so I did that for like a year. But then I realized I'm not built for that life. And I just moved to like nearby Juhu, Villaparle and all of those places. And that's where I stayed for the next 2 years.
नहीं bro, that train thing is तो a full-time job.
Have you tried?
हाँ, we've tried. Like when we were coming to Bombay to record and shoot before we moved,
Yeah.
we were like, भाई गाड़ी में बैठ के it's just takes too much time. So
Yeah.
and when you have limited time, you can't. So
Yeah.
you're like, okay, train makes sense.
Yeah.
And then at the start, you're like, bro, this is the life.
Yeah,
bro.
this is
Like
life,
this is
yeah.
how you struggle. And then after a while, I was like,
After one train ride, his struggle was over.
yeah, bro, नहीं होता है. Like,
You've
and
taken it
people-
only once, no?
नहीं, I've taken it multiple times. Metro, I took once, and I was like, bhai, never again.
So when I was here, when I was studying, this was like long back ago, Metro just came into the picture. So it was much better. It was like way emptier
yeah.
than, you know, what locals used to be. But locals, so bro, I just cannot deal with it. Like, it's crazy. I used to carry my guitar, okay?
Oh, fuck.
And if you're carrying like stuff with you that's like heavy and like big, you're gonna get like called out.
For sure.
यार like गिटार को टुनटुना सुन रहा हूँ मैं कि like oh ये टुनटुना लेके आ जाते हैं ट्रेन में and all of those things and everything. Yeah, it was crazy. That's my struggle.
Did you ever play in the?
I'm sorry, what?
Did you ever play the guitar?
जगह ही
In
नहीं
the
थी
train?
भाई.
The train, why
What
the
bro?
fuck
I could
would I-
barely sing. I could barely breathe.
Late night train ऐसा खाली
Night
खाली
last
थोड़ा.
train, क्या?
नहीं मैं खाली ट्रेन में भी बैठा हूँ ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ, yeah.
Like
yeah,
that is
I've
a
done
good
that,
feeling.
That's a great
Yeah,
feeling.
yeah, that's the best, bro. Like coming back from like college and just like sitting in the train and it's empty and you're like, yes, this is like the best.
I don't mean to make this dark, but I read this thing about the Bombay local.
Yeah.
Bro, like quite a few people die
Yeah.
every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, due to
Yeah.
suffocation and all.
Just different reasons in the train.
Yeah.
And it's just a normal thing that happens. It's
Yeah.
like the number is also very high. It's like 9 a day or something.
Nine.
Oh, I don't know the
Like, I mean, if you
statistic, yeah.
divide it across 365, like I took the number, divided it, and I was like, bro, that's like
Why
a
would
lot.
you? But
But this is pretty dark. But like I remember like these things used to happen when I was also like taking the local. We used to hear about it. Somebody like used to go on the roof of the train and they because they
Get
can't enter
electrocuted, yeah.
and they get electrocuted. All those things. This became like a very big
Roof
thing.
of
that
the
had
train?
happened. Yeah.
चढ़ जाते थे
चढ़
ना
जाते थे ना लोग.
तो मतलब that is तो
अब
natural
can't
selection.
उसको बिठाया तो नहीं ना.
He chose to go there. He chose to go there.
I get
exactly.
like I get the hustle and the grind and whatever, but
There's some logic also that should be.
Yeah, exactly.
नहीं वो photos भी like
हाँ.
you see where there's a lot of people
Yeah.
on top of the train.
Oh yeah.
That's,
Yeah.
I hope it gets better now. Like they're making the metro for it's been
Last
like
10 years.
It's been a while.
Takes time, bro.
The thing is that no matter how much you do, it's just like people are just like keep on like coming. It's like where are these people coming from? And there's so many. But I hope that it gets better. Let's see how it works out.
There's too much opportunity, bro, here. So like
Yeah,
I can
that's
see
true.
why someone would make the switch.
Yeah. I need to take inspiration from that, honestly.
Do you like driving?
Yeah, I do.
Then it's not for you. Don't come here.
Oh yeah, yeah,
There's
yeah.
too much traffic, bro.
वहाँ
everywhere.
पे it must be a like a
Oh,
great
bro,
place
it's
to drive and
amazing,
stuff.
bro. And sometimes, you know, I find myself cribbing there as well. Okay, वो एक गाड़ी निकल के दिख गई मेरे को. And वो क्या
Is it very scenic, Ludhiana?
No, not really. It's a normal city. But if you go to the outskirts, obviously, like as soon as like you exit the city a little bit, there are farms and all everywhere. So like it's pretty good. Because like if you go between, so I travel a lot to Chandigarh because that's where the airport is.
Airport is.
So the entire journey is beautiful, man. It's like I love it.
What do you do for fun? Like, what is your thing?
I'm pretty boring, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Or like you watch reels and stuff?
No, not that much. I'm like off of Instagram, like usually. I don't really go on Instagram that much. I have my own other vices that I have. Like I'll watch a lot of movies. I have like anime that we were talking about.
Oh,
Like,
right.
that's
Yeah,
something
yeah.
that, you know, I'm getting into. Like I've gotten into like properly.
What
Oh,
do you
that
like
is like
watching?
addictive. Like
Bro, it's
anime is like,
amazing.
but-
Animes, yeah.
It's
because there's too
amazing.
many episodes for each show. Like the good
Yeah.
shows at least
Yeah.
have like 1,000 episodes.
Yeah. I mean, One Piece has like 1,000 something
Yeah.
episodes, but yeah, it's crazy. So that's something that I'm getting into right now. And yeah, man, like I have my set of friends. They're the same ones that I have like since I was in school,
that's-
and I just chill with them. Yeah, that's
Like
what
That's
I do.
boys?
nice, bro.
Boys,
Yeah,
yeah, boys. All of them are married now, though.
Oh.
So that's kind of
So
sad.
you're the only,
Yeah, I'm the only one left. Yeah,
only bachelor.
yeah. So that's kind of sad.
Are you thinking about it?
Oh damn. Eventually,
Turned
yeah.
into an auntie.
Yeah.
कब हो रहे हो बेटा?
नहीं, अभी तो I wouldn't say. I said right now it's not the.
Yeah.
But is there like societal pressure?
Oh no, not at all.
Look,
Yeah. So
What pressure, bro? They can't even pressurize him.
Arey bro, see the thing is that I work very separately from like my entire family, right? So there's nothing that comes to me. I'm just like a separate being that shows his face like, you know,
For family
for
functions and
family. Like sometimes I'll just go there and all, but there's no pressure on me. I wanna do it like eventually, yes. I do see myself like, you know, building a family, raising a kid or something like that, but it's not something that I see like right now.
Yeah.
Maybe like we'll give it a couple of years. Let's see how it works out.
रुक जा भाई थोड़ा.
Yeah.
हाँ bro, like अभी तो now there's so
Abhi to
much,
yeah, the
so
career
much
has
to
just
do,
started.
bro.
Everything
Yeah.
has just started. Yeah. So.
Do like your friends from school and all hit you up now? Like,
I literally like, so I was at a shoot before this, okay? And the guy who was taking the shots and like shooting the entire thing is somebody from my college.
Okay.
And I had no idea. Like, I just met him and he's like, bro, I'm Veer. I used to sleep at the back bench. I was like, so, but the thing is that, no, but it's nice to meet people, but no, not really. Like, nobody really hits me up that way. I thought that will change.
Yeah.
But yeah, it hasn't.
That's good actually.
Yeah, I think it's cool. But it's just that whenever I see people and I meet them, they're very proud of the fact that, you know, this has happened.
Yeah.
So they're keeping a track, obviously, but it's not like, you know, they are like trying to get involved and like trying to get something out of it and all. I think I have good people like that way around me, I guess. Like, yeah, I've been blessed that way.
have you had any like like a bad experience with a fan or something? Where you're like, bro, this is.
Oh, yeah, bro. So there is like this problem that I'm trying to like figure out.
We'll help you, bro.
Yeah, if you can hack and all of those things, then that'll be great.
Yeah, bro,
So
we'll figure it
the
out.
problem that has happened is like my number has been like circulated right now. So I get like I literally got a call right now as well. Like
Oh, yeah,
when
you
I
told
sat
us to
down,
say wrong
so I was
number.
just like say the wrong number because I just like keep getting like these calls and I will get like so many I can't even tell you. रात को 3 बजे like people are calling me up, भाई बारिश है सुना दे, and like just like sing this one for me, oh I love you, and you know like just talk to me for some time. That's what is happening. So that's like pretty crazy. Just like
a new number.
Yeah,
yeah, that's what's happening right now. Yeah, I haven't gotten the time only, bro. Like,
Oh, yeah.
just been like so busy with things. Because with a new number, like, you have to change it everywhere, right? Like, everything's like, so many things are linked and all. So, like, it's just like a bit complicated.
WhatsApp though like changes it for you.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
seen like you
There
get
are
no
other-
Then
notification.
what if the people who have his number also get notified?
Oh, yeah.
Saying Anup changed his number. So I have to save new number. Now they have his new number.
Counterproductive.
See, he knows. He's going to help me out.
Okay, we can't help you.
We
with
can't
this.
help him that much.
So, that happens. Like, sometimes people turn up to my house as well. So that's like a bit scary.
Oh shit.
Because, yeah, ghar pe mat aao. Like, everything else is perfectly fine. I absolutely love meeting people and all of that. But I don't like it when, like, people come
Yeah.
in. Because that's my personal space. I don't
Of
like
course.
it. Yeah. मैं अपने घर में ऊपर छत पे घूम रहा होता हूँ, ये कर रहा होता. I don't want, like, people to see me, like, doing, you know, things like that.
Yeah, and you feel a little threatened also, na? Because not everyone who comes may love you. It's like that.
Yeah.
See, abhi tak to things like that have not happened. Like touch wood, I hope that that never happens. But it's just that sometimes people are a bit like they do feel the sense of entitlement, like they like that you owe them like a meat.
Yeah.
Right, even if they're coming to your house, so that's a bit complicated and a bit tricky. Like my mom goes out and like she's like, hey, please, like he's not gonna be meeting you, and they're like, no, we have to. They'll keep
come
waiting
all the
outside
way
the
from
house.
north,
Yeah. So that happens, but
Go all the way back. Bro.
that's sad. Bro. What to do?
No, bro. Why should
Personal
you?
space, yeah, personal
Time is
Exactly.
Personal
Yeah.
space, personal time. Like I get that thing also, because a lot of people, like, music is just, they've listened to it at a time where, like, it becomes very personal for
Yeah,
them. Like, it's
exactly,
not
yeah.
just a song
Yeah.
to those people.
Yeah.
Like when you see people crying at a show.
Yeah. But
It's-
that's
it
what I was
comes
talking
from a
about
memory,
perspective.
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That the thing is that you don't see it. Like you just make something and you put it out there. You've already heard it like probably 10,000 times before it actually goes out. So you kind of sort of lose that feeling.
Yeah.
But when it actually is out there and like people are listening to it and like the way they react, it's like, bro, like what have you made? Like that's crazy. That it's being able to impact somebody like that. Because I know I have had songs in my life and artists in my life that have impacted me like that. But when it happens to you, you're like, okay, this is kind of nice. So yeah.
Yeah. What did you listen to?
What do I listen
growing
to?
up.
While, what was your teenage, like,
my teenage
angry
thing.
song?
Bro,
I feel
Linkin
like some
Park, bro.
Linkin Park,
Linkin
yeah.
Park, Green Day, everything. I was a very big Linkin Park fan.
Which was your favorite song?
So Numb I used to love. In the end, I used to love. Crawling was one of the songs that I used to love. अब तो मैं थोड़े भूल भी गया हूँ, इतना टाइम हो गया है. But like all of these, उनकी एक album आई थी जिसके अंदर Numb Encore था.
Hybrid
Oh,
Theory.
bro, I used to like, yeah. No, it wasn't
No,
Hybrid
Hybrid
Theory.
Theory.
It was after Hybrid Theory.
It was something else.
It was like a bootleg.
Numb Encore was, I think,
Yeah,
the
so basically
most
they had
generational
they
collab.
had like made all of these songs ka like these versions, like
Yeah.
these like versions. I used to rap that song, bro, like
Yeah.
crazy. I used to love
Still,
that
even
song.
I still can.
Yeah, I think I can.
Yeah.
Like if we,
Numb Encore is...
When it comes on in like a nightclub or something, you still go like.
I mean, I don't think they're playing like Numb Encore and like.
I
that.
played it the other day.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I played at some club.
I think I'm
and
missing out
everyone
on the good
lost it.
gigs,
It was too
man.
much fun.
Bro, Linkin Park though was a.
Yeah.
Linkin
bro.
Park was a phase.
Yeah.
Right now, I still listen to Crawling, and I listen to the live version because it's more.
Oh yeah.
like,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
just
I
him
feel that.
yelling,
Yeah.
like screaming in his, and you feel the pain.
Pain in his
Yeah,
voice,
yeah.
yeah.
And now, especially after like Chester has
right,
passed, it,
yeah.
like it.
Bro, I cried that day,
Hmm.
So what happened was that I was like coming back from work. I think this was like a few
This
years
was
ago.
2017.
2017, yeah, in July or June or something like that. it was.
July.
I'm not
second
sure.
week.
Like
yeah,
I'll have
14th or
to,
15th.
yeah, something like that. So I remember coming back from work, and my phone started like buzzing because all my friends knew that I was like a very big fan, and I started writing music because of that, right?
Oh.
And yeah, I remember like my phone was buzzing, and I knew something was like up. I knew something was wrong. And I saw my phone, and like my friends had like texted me that Chester Bennington passed away, and like how it happened and like how it was. Bro, I like entered my house. I was just crying. I was like so like
Yeah.
shaken up. I was like, this is what happens now, bro. Like
Exactly.
he had no idea, who I was, but like you start feeling like so close to
Yeah.
somebody because their music has been there, like during
been
like,
there for you through
Yeah,
your
yeah, exactly, yeah.
There's this live version of Crawling, I think, by Chris Cornell also. Chris
Oh.
Cornell, have you listened to his music?
No, not really, but I know like about the artist, yes. But,
Yeah.
like, I listen to it, man. I listen to it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro, it's like I don't cry that easily, okay?
Yeah.
But there are these few things,
Yeah.
bro, like a live performance of like an artist who has passed away. It's just like
It's very sad.
Yeah.
Especially, it's a part of your child. Like every time I think about like my 10th grade and my 11th grade and all, the background music is always that, right?
Yeah.
So that's something that like
That is
really keeps coming back.
What makes you cry?
Yeah, I was literally gonna ask you that question.
No, I'll tell you this other thing that like I don't know, bro. Like each time I see it, like something happens to me. It's people giving away money to like really poor people. It just makes me cry.
Yeah.
Like, I
You
don't-
cry?
Like
Yeah,
it makes me.
Ha,
makes your
it-
throat
I
It's
think
heavy,
the
like-
combination
Ah.
of the background music
Ah.
and everything.
Ah, if
like,
it's edited
it gets
well.
you. If it's
obviously,
edited
obviously.
well.
Yeah.
Like I've
It'll get
been
you.
seeing this guy, bro. I forgot his name, but he's doing like he's making these reels where he'll, seriously, bro. So he started doing like the series where
Oh, where he meets for 10 minutes.
yeah, he picked like
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one kid, someone from the street, and every 10 minutes he teaches him something, like
Okay,
something
yeah.
basic, like numbers, alphabet, whatever.
Yeah.
And it's just too wholesome, bro. Like I don't know, it does
That's kind of nice.
something.
Like, you know, you just like walk in on him, he's watching Mr. Beast. Like,
Just crying. I'm like,
fucking
okay.
रो क्या रहा है भाई ये तो?
Mr. Beast is like too much in your face. It
Yeah.
doesn't.
You know, I get it.
But the-
Evoke those emotions.
Yeah, these Indian guys, they put that background music like
Yeah.
Asha and shit.
They really give it to you.
Yeah. Like they'll play Tare Zameen Par ka song. Tare Zameen Par.
Tare Zameen Par.
Tare
makes you
Zameen
cry.
Par, yeah.
It really made me cry.
That
that
was the only
movie-
movie I cried in, I think.
Oh, bro, like that movie is crazy.
Yeah,
bro.
bro. It's too.
मैं अभी देख रहा था. I was watching it like a couple of weeks ago. I was watching it. I still couldn't like stop
Yeah,
crying.
you can't.
Oh, my tuition teacher had taken like all the kids to like
Watch this.
So, yeah. Like,
Show them what they all are.
I think she
she made a mistake, bro. I think.
she called the parents also.
सब रो रहे थे क्या theater
सब रो रहे थे, but I feel like she was trying to say something.
She was trying to say, these are your children, dekho.
Yeah, bro, I cried like watching Tamasha. I think that's the maximum that I've cried like watching a movie, and I can cry like every time. So Tamasha, have you seen the movie?
I've seen it. Is there any scene?
Yeah, so Tamasha is Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika Padukone. The Agar Tum Saath Ho song is from that only, no? You guys seem clueless, right?
No,
Both
I
of-
haven't.
I
seen
haven't
that
watched the
one. Or I
movie.
may have seen.
You
Like
guys have
ऐसा-
at least heard the song, right? Agar Tum Saath Ho.
You know who sung
हाँ,
that
हाँ,
song?
हाँ, हाँ.
Alka ji.
Oh, Alka ji
Yeah,
song.
and Arijit.
हाँ, हाँ, I've heard.
Yeah.
I've heard.
Yeah, so basically that movie. It's basically about spoilers. It's about
okay, it's an
If
old
you
ass
haven't seen it till now, then
for you guys as well. I really
Yeah,
hope that
that's
you guys
fine.
watch it.
Yeah, we will.
It's about this guy, you know, who feels like he's stuck in like this role that he's playing, and he's just like stuck in that, and he wants to do something else with his life, right? And how he changes, and like all the frustration that he has from like his 9 to 5 and all of those things. And I was like at this stage, you know, in my life, that personal thing that I was talking about,
Yeah.
this is what was going on, bro. Like these movies like do things, yeah. Like Tamasha, I saw next day it was that day when I was like, I'm putting my papers down. I'm done.
Damn, bro.
So like that is the kind of impact that this movie has had. Yeah.
Yeah, there are movies. Wake Up Sid also is like
Oh yeah,
along the
damn,
same.
bro, that movie is
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
But I didn't like cry that
Yeah.
movie.
No, it's not a cry movie.
Yeah, it's like a good movie.
I don't remember
I think
the
it's a
movie
Bombay
properly.
love story, like
Yeah.
a love letter to Bombay or something like that. That's what it is.
But you still didn't answer what makes you cry.
Oh
He
yeah.
said na, abhi
Apart
Tamasha.
from,
Acha,
apart
from movies,
one
yeah,
movie,
yeah.
na, something else also has to.
अरे
कुछ तो रहेगा.
Bro, I don't want to like sound very emotional, like emotionless. Sorry.
हाँ.
But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो पीछे वो म्यूजिक बज रहा है and like ऐसा cry. Movies
No, that's the
definitely.
personal thing, bro. Like, even like football respect moments. makes
Oh
me-
yeah, no, that would be this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you say a compilation.
Manchester United makes me cry every week.
Oh, yeah.
कल तो जीते भाई
कल या
कल तो ब्रो इतने मुश्किल से 90 प्लस 8 मिनट में पेनल्टी मिस हुआ तो जीते हैं हम लोग. It is crazy.
Onana redemption arc.
Yeah, Onana.
He posted also, this is for Sir Bobby Charlton. I'm like, lovely.
Arey bro, what are you
have been
saying,
doing?
bro? So yeah, I've been following the club since like their best days, and obviously I'm not gonna like stop following them,
Yeah,
but
same.
at least I can joke about the fact that I cry every weekend.
I wonder
They put
why
us through a
like,
lot of pain, bro.
United is the most supported club in India. Like,
Bro, I think
Because-
I know
yeah.
because like when we were kids, right?
They were the most
they were the
successful
most successful clubs, and now that we have grown up, we've
Yeah.
like you know that's how the wave of football has come into India properly. So the EPL and all of those things that are coming into play. So that's how it is. I think that's why that's the
I
case.
feel now these children are just going to start supporting City.
Yeah, they're
Now
gonna
there
like,
are
that's
next
what
wave
it's
is
a
gonna be
very
City
yeah
fans.
every
There are-
like new kids like that are coming in. They're already
Yeah,
like supporting
City
City. Madrid has always obviously like
Madrid
been
has
there.
always been.
Arsenal has been doing pretty well now. Like so.
Barca.
Barcelona again, like they've like been around, so I think that's how it's gonna happen.
yeah, but how do you take someone seriously when they say I support Manchester City? Like,
Yeah, we can't.
Yeah,
take
we
them
can't do
seriously.
it, but like the
But
next
kids
generation is
can,
not gonna
bro.
know that, no,
They
bro.
can,
Bro, they
team
are
इतना
building.
अच्छा
They like it's saddening. It's like, but it's okay. Like this is the reality and this is the truth. They've won what like 5, like
Yeah.
4 Premier Leagues in a row, something like that. I don't know the
Treble
exact.
last season.
Yeah, treble last
Treble
season
last
as well.
season, bro.
They have already built their history in the last like 5-6 years. So
see, bro, I'm a Chelsea fan, okay, but so if like City wins the title, I don't feel that bad because
Yeah.
I don't have friends who support it
Yeah.
for them to come and like gloat.
yeah.
But if like United wins the title, I know it's gonna be a rough.
Yeah.
rough
Even,
year.
I'm
even
just-
Liverpool or Arsenal, though, I mean, it's a tough
Liverpool
one.
also, I don't think there are any fans as such that we
No. I don't know.
Liverpool,
I know.
yeah.
Liverpool quite.
United
quite a
and
few.
Liverpool are
Yeah,
the
I know
a lot of
United
fans.
maybe.
biggest.
Liverpool and
Uske
only
baad
a
Chelsea,
handful.
Arsenal.
I know a lot of like they come to my gym, bro. They are all like thoda buffed up and all also. I'm
You
like,
can't fuck with them then.
जब यूनाइटेड जीतता है तो भी मैं सैड फेस के साथ जाता हूँ कि ठीक है यार इट्स ओके हो गया
Now that all the girls have left. Imagine girls leaving an Anuja episode. Like,
We'll see the only untriggered can make that happen.
now let's have boy talk now
let's talk.
क्या चल रहा है
no, bro, but this is a bad habit that guys need to get rid of. Like, if you're at a party,
At parties, don't do
at
it.
party, like don't,
stop talking about football and all.
don't have
Yeah.
this conversation.
bro but I know like a lot of girls also who follow football
How many?
so like quite a few
Yeah.
yeah
I
but
mean,
then I
maybe
know
this
also-
is
Maybe this is a North thing. Because
Does this happen mainly in Ludhiana?
nah, not really. Like even in Bombay, you know, like across the country, like I know quite a few people who like watch football. So yeah, cricket people have like really like I've started seeing like it's obviously always been there, but like a lot of girls are like taking like crazy interest in cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because now it's like everywhere.
Yeah,
like,
bro, it's
just
crazy.
Like,
Yeah.
and World Cup is
And
also
that's all
happening.
good-looking guys playing, bro.
That's true.
Yeah.
Back when we were children, they weren't such good-looking
Oh.
players.
Yeah,
They weren't good-looking. They were good players.
yeah.
See, now you see all this Shubnam Gill and all, bro.
Shubman.
See,
Shubman Gill is
I
a
couldn't
good
even say his
player.
name without.
back in the day, Yuvraj Singh, bhai.
Oh yeah, that guy.
Okay,
is-
one.
Mahi is also good looking.
Yeah, bhai.
Yeah, with his long hair, wala.
Yeah,
Yeah,
long
long
hair.
hair. era. Yeah, that was crazy. Now, why are we talking about like?
This is what
This is really boy talk.
we start discussing male crush.
Yeah, bro. We were watching Scooby and I were watching the David Beckham documentary.
Oh,
yesterday.
bro, and both of us are like
Every
such a
5
good
minutes.
looking
Every 5 minutes.
Bro, yeah,
He's such
I
a
also-
good-looking man.
Yeah. I am in the same boat, bro.
Yeah,
I'm in the
bro.
same boat.
He's too good looking.
Bro, this is something in school we used to do. Who is the best looking football player? According to you.
What?
What
I've
school?
never
Boys
done
school?
that.
This used to happen.
We used to
bro.
Yeah,
never
but
do
this
that,
in the documentary, everyone was saying it. It's not like only.
Yeah,
Like
Bro,
Sir
they
Alex
understand.
Ferguson.
They understand
Yeah,
that
they
yeah, this
understand
guy
he's a good-looking guy.
like is where he is because
They
of,
said
you
it
know.
in the
Sir
Yeah,
Alex Ferguson is like he's a good-looking boy.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
yeah.
Ferdinand
Yeah,
is
he said
like, I don't know how he looked so good. Neville is also like, yeah, bro, he was so good looking.
Yeah, people are just like blatantly accepting it.
Yeah.
Yeah. He
It's
is
the
like
truth.
what to do. He is.
It hits different when someone is like, let's say, conventionally really good looking and also good at what they do.
Yeah, that's
Like
true, yeah,
with
yeah.
Virat also, I was
Double
always
guy,
like, bro. At the start, I was like, he's too like overconfident, cocky, but
Yeah.
he always like backed it
Yeah,
up.
he backed it up. No,
delivers.
that's
Yeah.
what's important.
Like if you can come in every ad and still be good at cricket,
Yeah,
that's like
exactly.
Still be number one, bro.
King
Ah,
Kohli.
bro, that's my thing with cricket players. Like they make too much.
Yeah.
How do you stay focused on your work?
Bro, you know, like, so as musicians as well, my scale is like, I can't even compare to like Virat, right? Like, we are very small entertainers or like, you know, artists or whatever. But it does change you, bro. Like, when there are so many things that are happening, that the core thing that you wanted to do, it becomes like, it dissolves a little bit.
Yeah.
Aspas, there are so many things, like, you have to go for shoots, you have to do things, podcasts. So there are like so many things happening. It is difficult to like, you know, keep focus.
Yeah.
So if somebody is able to have that discipline and like pull it off, and then again, the World Cup, I don't know if you guys are like following it or not, but like it's crazy the way he's been playing. He's like the top scorer of the World Cup right now, and it's like it's amazing. So he's backing it up, and then with every over ends, and then ads में भी वही है.
It's him only.
So you know, bro, he's like hustling, bro, proper.
Hustling and
उसने
like-
करा local train proper. That
Bro, to
local train
another
guy.
level where like a lot of people would say that he's the greatest.
A lot of people are
Like he's-
bringing him in the conversation.
हाँ,
for-
कि मतलब
Yeah.
best
Yeah.
ever.
Bro, of course, you know, out of all of these sports, like every sport, right, has like this one person that transcends that sport, right? You have Tiger Woods for like golf, right? Like you might have like Michael Jordan for basketball and, you know, things like that. So you have like people like Sachin,
Yeah.
you know, Dhoni, and then Virat now in our generation who have transcended the sport. Now they are like worldwide, like
They're bigger than the
personalities.
sport.
Yeah, they're big, like not bigger than the sport exactly, but like they are
The biggest
now,
in the sport,
yeah,
probably.
it's like they are just above, you know, everything else now. they are now known as like these legends and like these sports people who have changed the game, and they have gotten like these eyeballs on the game, and like they've, because of their presence, the sport is getting, you know, watched a lot more.
Yeah.
So I think that's how it is.
Yeah, bro, look at what is happening in Saudi and all, like with football. They've just
That's
like
crazy.
they've bought
They've bought viewers.
they've bought some of football.
Yeah.
Like,
They
it's
bought like 20%.
Yeah, now like Ronaldo is playing there.
Yeah.
He's like killing it over there. But now the eyes are on that like entire country and the sport, right? Now people are actually feeling that it's acceptable to go there because Ronaldo went there first. Like he wasn't the first person, but
But he's
he
the-
got that, you know, like okay, now it's okay to go there and like for the bag, right? Like that's how it is.
No, you'll see a lot more of it across everything now. Now you'll see the weekend performing there at some point.
Yeah,
like in
yeah,
the
I'm sure.
near future. Like
Yeah,
artists will go there. They'll do festivals.
Yeah, 100%, 100%, bro, 100%.
Is there a country that you really want to go to? Like, what's your dream?
Like to perform or just
Perform.
To
I mean,
perform and just like a vacation.
to, bro, vacation Japan. Hopefully I'll go
Everyone
next.
says that, bro.
I'm going next year, hopefully. So,
Oh,
like,
wow.
we are planning a trip. If everything works out, then hopefully that will happen. But to perform, I really want to, like, perform in Australia. That's like because I was there, I was in Sydney abhi thode time pehle, and I absolutely fell in love with
you
the
are going to
place.
chill?
Yeah, just to chill. So I like fell in love with the place, and I love the vibe and like the people that are there. So like hopefully I'll be able to do one there. Maybe London, like that, because I've never been there. So like let's see how that works out. So.
Manchester.
मतलब लंदन नहीं है वो, मैनचेस्टर तो चलो इज
Manchester
लाइक
तो
अलग है, बट या मत याद दिलाओ. Not when we're talking about, you know, like saying
We've
good things.
drifted from that
we've-
topic.
Oh, that's such
There are
a-
good things now.
I mean, if you want to call it a privilege for an artist where, like, if you're an Indian artist who's doing well, you can perform almost everywhere.
Yeah,
And have.
Yeah.
that's true.
Like, obviously, the size of the crowd will differ in
Yeah.
every country that you go, but you can be everywhere.
Huh, bro. See, the thing, what I have realized is that someone has to start this. Like, you have to start somewhere. You're not gonna find an audience instantly, you know, like in like London or something like that. You'll probably go there, 100 people will turn up. The next time you go there, like people will know that okay, like you're a good artist. Then maybe 200, 300, 500, and that's how you scale up. Like all of these cities that we are going to right now, we had like barely any people coming. Like I've done 100, 200 people ka shows, 500 people ka shows, right? But now we have people coming in like thousands. You saw Supersonic, even though that was not really my show, but like there were people there to listen to the songs, right?
Yeah.
So that's how it works, man. Like that's how you do it. I was actually chilling with like this guy, this like really popular rapper in India, and I was chilling in his vanity, and he was talking about like a London show, and he was very like this thing about it that India में कितने लोग आते हैं, but वहाँ नहीं आएंगे.
Yeah.
But like he needs to like someone needs to start somewhere. He was talking about Paris, I think, like Paris ka some show or something like that. He was talking about.
Yeah, London, though, you'll have people
London
coming.
for sure.
Yeah,
you'll
London
have.
maybe, but like I think he was talking Paris or something like that. So like he said कि 1500 लोग. I was like यार India में तो 10,000 भर देते हैं. But he said कि someone has to start.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
Yeah, and obviously it makes sense to be like, bro, the what's happening now is like Indian content, Indian music,
Yeah.
Indian everything is just being consumed everywhere.
Yeah.
Let's say primarily by Indians only.
Yeah, but there are. Like,
But it's
so
just
many
like it
idea-
reaches them now.
Yeah.
Before it was like, before for a crowd to show up for an Indian thing abroad, Shah Rukh would have to go and do like a tour where they're dancing and
Yeah.
doing all of that, and
Yeah.
then like there would be a crowd.
Yeah, that's true.
But now for an indie artist to go and fill a bro,
arena
1,000
type.
people, 1,500 also, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
Even comedians are doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy. I think I saw this like I might be completely wrong, but I think Zakir Khan
Yeah.
has
Right.
performed
Yeah.
somewhere.
London.
Yeah,
he
what
did.
was that place? Like it's some very historical, like some place, and bro,
Royal
it was
Opera.
filled. It was filled with people. I was like, that's crazy, man. Like if an Indian can go there and like get that kind of a crowd, it's brilliant.
Well, Indian everything is becoming like international now.
Yeah.
It's just like even Indian music,
Yeah.
you'll see songs blowing up in countries where you don't expect it to
Yeah,
blow
yeah,
up.
yeah.
Like,
Bro, but I think that there's also this one thing that I've started seeing that a lot of people take like pride in like their Indianness as well now. Like they started doing
Yeah.
that.
It's
So
cool
they
now.
want to yeah, it's cool now.
It's become
you know
cool now,
like
yeah,
to
true.
consume Indian music, to consume like Indian sports and like
Yeah.
you know all of these things. It's kind of nice and people talk about it, and you see the most polished crowd coming for like these things and like you know trying to follow up with these things. So it's like pretty good.
yeah, bro, it's a lot of like for us also we need to know what to talk about, and like since we started to now we've seen like, bro, people want to hear us talk about, let's say, Indian hip hop.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
I can talk about Drake, I can talk about Travis Scott.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But there's like 5,000 people doing it on YouTube already. But like this is like, and it's our thing, so there is more relatability. You're more attached to it.
Yeah.
Like how Indian hip hop has blown up now in the past 3 years. Like we go for shows, we see people like
it's crazy.
It.
Yeah. I know. I think Yash was there, right? Like Yash Raj was there at your this thing.
We
He's
did
a
an
very good
episode.
friend of mine. So like I know with his song Dhundla, I think like it blew up, bro. It's
blown up
crazy.
recently.
Yeah. So it's amazing to see these guys, man.
Yeah.
Like with Divine as well, like how things have been for him and all.
Do you listen to hip hop?
Yeah, like a little bit. I've actually not been consuming music that much, bro. When you're making yourself,
You try and stay
like there are other things that give me more happiness, but like I'm not listening to a lot of music right now, which is like pretty sad. I want to get back into it. So yeah.
Do you like feel? This is something that I felt personally with content. It's like if I'm watching too much of someone's content, I see it like seep into my. Like if I'm enjoying someone else's content, like subconsciously I feel it like thoda coming out.
influencing your.
That's always gonna happen, man. Like that's always gonna happen. But the thing with me is that I don't listen to artists. I listen to songs.
Yeah.
So I'll have like my entire playlist will have like 1,000 artists and 1,000 songs. That's like the ratio would be. So I'm not like listening to one particular thing. I'm listening to everything. Like I listen to the slowest songs. I listen to Taylor Swift like one day, and I really like her music as well. And I love the story that she has. You know, the way she's a businesswoman, man. Like what she's doing is crazy, and that also like really inspires me. Then I'll be listening to like Divine, or I'll listen to Yash Raj, or like Zayden. Like these are my friends, right? I'll be listening to their music. Everything, bro. Like there's nothing.
How do you discover music? Just like playlists?
Playlists and like a lot of friends, man. Like they keep on sharing things and all. Reels, unfortunately.
But I feel Reels is once the song has become slightly more popular. That's
Yeah.
when you come across it.
Yeah, but it's just that like as much as I understand that it gives like artists that boost.
Yeah.
It's always because of like that one line rather than like the entire thing. So that's kind of sad,
with
bro.
that, what is happening now is something that I've seen is like artists deliberately like try to put in that one line.
Yeah. That's true. That's
Like-
very true. That's very true.
Like even international artists to some like there's this
Doja Cat, I think, has mastered the art.
No, Doja Cat is just
Yeah.
great, bro. Don't.
Yeah.
I'm saying she's mastered the
She's
art
like
of
my
making
favorite.
popular songs that go
Yeah.
viral on TikTok.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, like I've heard artists like The Baby,
Yeah.
like say right foot, left foot, because they know it'll become a dance reel, it'll become
yeah.
a step, then the song
Yeah,
will blow up.
yeah.
So वो बहुत होने लगा है, which is, I mean, okay, if you can get a good song and still put that in,
Yeah,
great,
that's true.
marketing.
That's true. That's true. But it's just a bit sad, like for an artist like me who doesn't like have hooks in his like music, even though like my songs have gotten like popular on reels and all as well. But it's like I want the entire thing, bro. This is a story, right? And that's what I want to tell. So yeah, I mean, imagine people started calling my song Gul Toote Makan. Like this lady was taking my interview, right? And she's like, "Aapka Toote Makan gana bahut acha." I'm like, bro, you're like a journalist, man. It's called Gul. That's what the name of the song is. I've put in so much effort. Please don't call it Toote Makan. So yeah, that also happens. Like that's also a consequence of like things going viral that way. So yeah.
Last night's listening session paid off, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, अगर तुमने टूटे पे यहाँ भी उठ जाता
I played Gul and then Toote Makan came and he was like, hey, this is that.
I was like, oh, this is the song. And then we saw the name. I was like, oh shit, that's last night is when I discovered that it's called Gul. It's not called
Yeah,
Toote
see?
Makan. See, that's why I was saying our research work paid off.
Yeah. Guys, let's end this. No, but yeah. So that's also a consequence of these things. Obviously, if you every person needs to just like master the art of marketing, bro. Like that's how it is. If this is what is given to you, this is the card that you've been dealt with. You just like make the most of it, I guess.
There's different perspectives, which like I'm more on this. Like you make good music, but you learn to sell it.
Sell it as well, yeah.
We have a friend who started like making music now, and he's pretty decent.
Yeah.
For someone who's just started.
Yeah.
And he's in that zone where it's like, I'll just make songs. I just want to put out songs, marketing and all. If the song is good, it'll blow. I was like, no, it won't.
Nahi hota, bro.
Nahi hota.
It'll have to be extraordinarily good.
Obviously, it happens. It happens. Like with a lot of songs, it does happen. But you need to put in some effort.
Yeah.
You need, because it's not going to happen for like everything. The probability improves now. When if you start marketing it well as well, there are more eyes on it. Like the probability of it doing well, like definitely improves. So
yeah. So reels banane padenge.
वो तो बनाने ही पड़ेंगे. Like that is something that you have to do.
Yeah. But the way you do it is very organic and nice.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it's like.
I mean, I don't know how good that is and how much will it benefit me in the long run. But it's just that something that, like, this is just me, man. Like, I can't really, like,
You don't want to face
Just a boy with a guitar.
yeah, just a boy with a guitar. That's who I am. If people like that, I'm really glad. And if there are like days when things are not working out, so dekhenge how to transform into like a boy with a band.
No, but it's literally just that. Like yesterday, also when we were listening, it was like, bro, there is only guitar. Like,
Yeah. Like so many songs. I mean, it's like, can you hear only a guitar? I was like, yeah. But
are
it's
you
insane.
thinking of changing that anytime soon, or it's just going to be?
Again, it's a very natural process. Yeah, we tend to like. I'm working with like producers now. Like we are working with people. We're trying to work with more and more people now. But the thing is that, like I said, it's storytelling, bro. Like for me, I am not a singer. I'm not a guitarist. I'm nothing. I'm a songwriter. That's what I want to do, right? So when that is the case, I want the lyrics to like be the hero of the song rather than like the music.
Yeah.
So if that is my approach, then obviously the music is always gonna be like a little less, and the vocals will be the focus of the entire thing. But we'll see, bro. Like I'm very malleable that way. I'll keep changing. We'll see.
You've not done any features, no, yet?
No,
Like,
not
with
yet.
anyone?
Not yet.
No collaboration.
No collaboration.
Bro, I really want to though. It's not something that like I'm averse to or anything of that sort. I really want to do it, but I haven't gotten the opportunity yet.
Who's your
Who's the-
dream?
yeah.
Dream collab.
Honestly, I don't have any name in my head. I just want to work with my friends first. Like I have Oaf, right?
Yeah.
You must have heard
Yeah,
the
I know.
Geraya album and all. Like he's somebody that I would love to work with. I think he's doing something very interesting. I have Zayden. I think I call him Sahil. It's very weird for me to call him Zayden, honestly.
Yeah.
But I have him. Like I would love to work with him. So pehle I would like to work with my friends. Then thoda aage badhenge. Like going into like different circles. Let's see how it works out.
Anyone international that you would want to like?
No, not really.
No?
Nah. I've never been a fan of like songs that have like languages, a language switch. So if it's a Hindi song, then I want it to be like a Hindi song through and through. If it's an English song, then I want it to. I don't want like wo ek line English ki aa rahi hai and then Hindi. It's not something that like sits well with
Yeah,
me.
we'll
So.
get them to do it in Hindi.
That chammak chalo din.
Kya banger hai bro.
Yeah,
That
banger.
song.
That's the first song that all of us thought of, bro.
Yeah, that's the first one, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So-
Akon though used to be, bro. Like I don't know how he did it. Like at that time where he was just like,
Nobody disappeared, bro. Like
He had
what
just
happened?
moved to Pune, you know.
What?
In the middle, he used to live in Pune, Akon.
This is a
What? I had no idea about this.
This is around like 10 years or so, I think, ago when Chammak Chalo and all came. He used to live in Pune.
That's crazy, bro.
And we used to, like, people would see him randomly. Now, I
Like
don't know if
वैसे
it was...
जाके groceries खरीद रहा है सड़क पर.
bro, I think he went all in on business after.
Yeah,
Ah,
after
yeah,
that he
yeah.
went all in.
Yeah.
And he's building something
Some
in
city
Africa.
or something like that. Yeah. I remember that.
Crazy.
You guys are from Pune, right?
Yeah.
I
All
have
of us.
worked there for like a year.
Oh, where were you working?
I was working in this company called ZS. I don't know whether you guys. It was in Kharadi.
Kharadi.
Yeah, there was an outskirts. Kharadi.
Yeah, it's
outskirts,
outskirts of
or
Pune.
something. Yeah. Pune was fun.
Pune?
Yeah.
Pune.
What do you do in Pune?
How was your Pune experience?
So when I was working there, it was okay. But now when I go there to perform, it's amazing, bro. Like I've had some of my best memories in Pune. Like I had done a tour like a couple of years ago. Honestly, like the best 2 days ever. It was so much fun. I made so many friends and like I met so many people and all. So it was like pretty cool.
Did
So,
you
like,
meet your like colleagues, ex-colleagues?
No. Yeah, like I just want to send out a message to my manager. I hate you. Please put this in, okay? 'Cause, oh man, she was like terrible to me, man. She was like the worst, honestly. She was.
Imagine she is going through something and she's playing his songs now. Like,
Yeah, you never know. Yeah, it just might be that. I haven't spoken to her since, but I hate her, man. If there's like one person in my life she made my life like a living hell, you know, when I was in Pune. That's why my first experience there wasn't that great.
that great.
But now that I go back, now I have like, wo pura ka pura theek ho gaya. Now it's much better. But bro, that lady, oh my god, what a...
Why was so bad? Like she was like a bossy. It was like
Bro, you know, like there are these times when people have like this, you know, like one area that they are the boss of, right? And they like
power.
Yeah, you just
Yeah,
their
power
power,
trip, correct.
this thing. Like you go out of that like box and you're nothing, right? But when you're in there, you just want to show it to people, right?
like
So,
society chairman.
Yeah,
vibes.
yeah. That's exactly
Bro,
right. Yeah,
there-
that's true. That's true.
I don't know. I mean, I know why they feel the way they feel, but
it's too extra.
It's the only
Yeah.
thing they have, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro,
Yeah,
I get
yeah.
it. Like I know the marriage is crumbling. I know the kids hate you. I know all of that, but like keep it within the law, na? Like,
Yeah.
No, that's true. That's
some of
true.
them are like borderline, nahi, like properly abusive.
Yeah, you can.
Abusive,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can be like a little patient, bro. Like you understand, कि ठीक है, it's fine. Like, be sweet to at least you be polite and all. But yeah, I understand that society chairman wala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the
Bombay
best way
has
to put
Bombay
it.
has like really had that for me as well. Is it similar for you guys? Like,
I
have
mean,
you-
I think it's everywhere to some extent where
Yeah.
it's like things. Bro, like there is some level of understanding. Like if there are people who are 20, 25 who are
Yeah.
living here,
Yeah.
I get it. I get why they're the way they are because some people are just like bad, bro. Like when they don't give houses to bachelors, I get it
Yeah.
because there are
They
some
won't
people
look after it.
they won't look after it and it's just
Reckless.
Some people are just wild, bro.
Yeah.
It's reckless. Like even I've had friends where I go to their house, I'm like, bro, what are you guys doing?
Yeah.
So I get it, but now I don't know like how to come up with a solution
Yeah,
for
there's
this.
no-
Yeah.
Like we've never had any problems here.
Yeah,
we
that's
don't
good, yeah,
throw
yeah,
parties. We don't do anything.
Yeah.
This room is soundproof, so we come here, scream, do whatever we want.
Scream.
This is the first we are hearing of this.
All the noise happens here is all I'm
Yeah.
trying to say.
No, but that's good. But that is the thing, na. Like there's this like area where you hold power, so you
Yeah.
want to use it. So I have been the victim of that.
Yeah, school principal, same vibe. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
School principals are always
not always.
My
Yeah.
principal was nice.
like, it depends on. My college principal was very bad when I was doing engineering.
oh damn, like
Bro.
मेरा तो ठीक था. I've never had bad experience with like teachers and all.
Yeah.
All my teachers were great. I was always good to like all of them as well. So yeah, I was a nice kid.
Yeah, I was still my first year of college. उसके बाद things changed.
Teachers के साथ तो like they'd get mad at me for saying something like maybe not inappropriate, but like just that guy who says things in the middle of the class. Like if
Yeah.
they say something and you do a comeback for no reason, like it wasn't directed at you, but
Yeah.
you still want to say something like
Yeah,
heckle the
yeah.
teacher.
Yeah.
That's what I got in trouble for.
Yeah, you seem like someone who likes to say things.
Yeah,
Who likes talking.
Who likes talking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
someone who's on a podcast.
Yeah.
No, it's cool, bro, because if you say it and there is a reaction from the class, then the teacher
Nothing
also
like it, bro.
then the teacher also.
It's over.
If you say something and the teacher also laughs, that's like
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a big win.
That's the-
Yeah.
Yeah, you go back home feeling a champ, bro. Yeah. आज teacher को ऐसा दिया and all that. Yeah. that's true.
बस में ऐसे
I had teachers who I had like problems with also.
Yeah. Did you have a crush on anyone?
We had substitute teachers. So in my school every year they used to
Made it
do this
safe.
thing where they would get people who are studying to be a teacher
Oh, okay, yeah.
for like their one
That's
week
good, that's good,
one
yeah.
week like trial period or whatever.
Yeah.
I was not in your school.
Yeah, I was.
those teachers would, because they're getting marked
Yeah.
for it now, they would put in maximum effort. Like
Yeah.
they're making charts and like
Yeah.
they're playing games with the kids and making sure like how a teacher should be.
Bare minimum.
So like you like them as a person also because like maza aa raha hai class mein.
Yeah, that's true.
There was this one teacher where she was leaving and everyone had a crush on her. And like the kids were crying and all, bro. When it was her last day, they were singing songs.
That was
for her.
heartbreak.
Nah, I thought it was quite stupid, even at that time. You can't sing for a teacher.
One boy did in my school. He used to sing for a teacher.
That's just
Like a romantic song. Which
I
song?
was just like, I don't remember, but I remember the boy. I can't take his name. He was too cringy. Like, you're in like the 3rd grade, bro. Why are you singing songs for your teacher at that
You know
age?
what the song they sang was?
What?
Tadap ke is dil. I was like, bro, this is inappropriate at this point.
How old were you?
This is like 6th, 7th grade.
6th, 7th grade और क्या बोल रहा
ठीक
है
है,
bro?
10, 11
6th
years
standard,
old.
sorry.
Sixth
People get
standard.
pissed off when you say 6th grade in
Why?
the comments. They're like, oh, sober kids.
It's
Oh,
standard,
damn.
na.
6th standard.
Sobo kids from
Do
Pune.
we give
Sober kids
that?
from Pune.
Do we give a sober vibe or?
Yeah, not really. Like,
He
you guys
was
are okay.
about to say yes. He was about to say yes.
No, you guys are okay. Like, हाँ, थोड़ा सा.
Like in who? In him or him? मेरे से तो
No,
नहीं
but see,
आती रहेगी।
if you say 10th grade, I'll be okay with it, right?
हाँ.
So, yeah, what does that make me?
Yeah.
We used to watch a lot of like. I used to watch a lot of Disney shows and shit.
Yeah.
So what
Star World पे जो shows आते थे ना, I used to watch those like One Tree Hill and like those
Yeah.
old shows.
Okay, so tell me something. how would you count, like, would you say like 10 lakhs or 1 million?
10 lakhs.
Oh, for views?
Like, just generally.
For money, I say lakhs.
Yeah.
For views, I say million.
Oh, so
But
I
that's
say a
'cause-
million, right? And like people really get pissed off.
For,
because of that.
like,
my
money
friends,
also.
हाँ कि 10 लाख बोलना भाई. Like that's how it is.
The thing is, we're used to saying lakhs.
A million rupees.
Like
Yeah,
million
I would.
rupees
Yeah,
just
I would
sounds-
literally say that. Like I would say like a
That's-
million.
that's too spoiled.
Yeah, even that bothered me
Even
also.
Sobo kids won't be saying 1
Sobo
million
kids
rupees.
are
I have dug my own grave. Sorry guys.
I think Sobo kids also will be like 10 lakh.
नहीं bro, मैंने तो phone पे like with view, like when on YouTube it shows
Yeah,
the view
yeah.
count, lakhs and CR and all, I don't like seeing. So
Yeah,
I
I
like
see
the-
million.
yeah.
Yeah. No, but when it comes to money, obviously, like lakhs and crores, like that's what happens. But
saying it,
when
you
I'm
would
in a
say
million, में से निकलता like the million and like 10 million and all is like what I'm getting in my head right now. So
But lakh is what Hindi? Is it like the Hindi?
No,
one?
I don't know. I don't think
पता
it's
नहीं,
Hindi.
bro.
It's a different system only, I feel.
Yeah.
I mean, it's in India. I haven't seen it
Yeah, we
anywhere
should
else.
look it
Like
up.
in
Because we had lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then
Arab or something
Arab.
like that, right? That's where it reaches eventually. 100 crore or something
I
like
thought
that.
never even heard of that.
Arab.
Arab, you've never heard?
अरबपति बोलते हैं ना
I had never heard anyone say Arabpati.
It's funny. It's called Arab. It's like you just assume.
Maybe that's where it comes from.
That's where it's come from.
That's the scale. It's like lakh, 10 lakh. Oil.
oil money.
Bro, this was. I feel like on this.
Yeah, we can.
How long has it been since you're doing this?
Oh,
One
that's
time.
mad.
Is this like your longest?
Yeah, I mean, this is the second one. So
We had such tough competition.
which one's been your longest one?
Bro, we've done like 2 hours and
Yeah,
all.
two and a
That's
half.
crazy.
We
That's
did-
crazy.
We. No, it was 2 only. Yeah. Oh yeah, we just
Yashraj, we
recorded
just
with
recorded with
Yashraj.
Yashraj.
That was
Yeah.
too fun. Yeah,
I
that was
said it. I
fun.
said
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Hanuman kind.
That was like 2 hours 30 minutes or
Yeah.
something.
The
Like,
thing
we
is, when
just
he
kept-
said about Yashraj, I said, yeah, we recorded, and then I don't know whether this episode will go before or this will go after.
ठीक है
Oh,
ना?
yeah.
Fine, bro.
No, but
But
I saw reels only. So like I think that
We did one with him back then. Now we just recorded with him like
Acha,
day
okay,
before.
okay.
Now we got him with Charjavari and
Hanuman
Hanuman
Khan.
Khan together.
Okay.
We're like ladke
Sahi.
convict.
Ladke convict.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
लड़के wait for that one, bro.
Yeah, that-
Okay, chal. What's happening now? Music is coming.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
new music is coming, but usse pehle the tour is happening. So Delhi is on the 3rd of November, and there is Guwahati on the 5th, and then I'm doing a show in my home, like Ludhiana, first ever show on the 18th of November. I'm very excited about that. Even if there's like one person there, okay, who's bought the ticket, because it's just guest list right now. So even if there's one person, I'll be so happy, man. Like this is my home, man, and like I'm really excited.
It's
about
homecoming.
it. Yeah, bro, exactly.
All the girls from school who didn't give you
Arey,
attention.
they're all
will be
out,
there,
bro.
will be
Nobody's there. You don't think I checked or what? Yeah, so nobody's there, like really. But like whoever is there, I really hope that people come because this is my home, man. I really want to perform in front of these people, and that's something that I'm the most excited about.
Yeah.
Like Bombay is great, like Delhi, everything I'm excited about. But like Ludhiana, bro.
Bombay is when?
Ludhiana, Bombay
It's
is
yet to be announced.
it's yet to be announced.
Okay.
Let's see how it works out.
We'll
Hopefully
be
by the
there,
time
bro.
this is out, tab tak pata lag jayega.
हाँ,
Let's-
December end तक.
We'll be there for that show. At
हाँ
least.
bro, come na bro. It's gonna be.
और
Please
Pune
guest
show
list
also,
मत
if you're there.
ticket लेके आ रहा हूँ please.
ठीक है.
अब now he's not gonna.
Now he is contemplating.
Yeah, he's contemplating now.
No, we'll
We'll
come.
come,
but
bro,
the
we'll
4 boys
Yeah.
or whatever.
So that's what's happening.
6 boys.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Sure.
Too many stacks.
It's okay.
Too many stacks.
So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So that's my main focus at the moment. And yeah, new music, bro. Like some things that I'm very, very excited about. But I don't say much before they're actually like
Yeah.
closer to this thing. So yeah, once they're there, so like we'll see. But I think it'll be probably be out by the time. When is this thing going out?
Whenever you want.
Whenever you wanted to.
Okay, done.
Before the tour?
Done.
Yeah,
Okay,
before the
so
tour.
let's say
करो,
the next
देखो.
week.
Yeah, let's see if it works out.
ठीक है, चलो done. ठीक है.
ठीक है, 4-5
Anyway,
दिन.
this was too much fun, bro. Thank you for doing this.
Same, bro.
Like,
Same. Yeah, I'm so happy that I came.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It feels like a
likewise.
full circle.
Yeah.
Since that reel to this.
Since that day, yes.
Okay,
Thank you
chalo.
so much.
Done. Great.